One. Yes, sir. Welcome back to Training Mondo. And today is what, August 2nd. The market opens tomorrow. We're going to be reviewing three different sectors: SPY, IWM, and then we're going to do QQQ. Basically, and then we're going to review 13 of my stocks. 12 now, and then 3 of my positions. So let's get started. Let's get IWM. Sorry, I burped. Alright, so on the daily, it looks like we got over the MAs, so that's good, right? We want to come in the 30 minutes. 30 minutes, it's above the MAs. It's pushing towards this support area at 750. Honestly, we'll see what it does tomorrow. But if it either breaks out or pushes, we'll just follow market. IWM. For IWM, we got it in both of those. All the MAs are kind of fighting, and the prices right there too. On the daily, but on the 30 minutes, it's above the MAs. It's run under where it opened on Friday. It doesn't look that bad, honestly. You're just gonna have to wait and see which way it goes. If it holds, if it doesn't hold, and if it runs. Lastly is gonna be the Qs. For the Qs, it's running into the MAs, kind of getting over it. Still right there. On the 30th, it's above the MAs. On the 15th, it's above the MAs. And on the Q, on the 5, it's above the MAs. On the 5 chart, it's above the moving averages. So it's kind of testing. Honestly, we'll see if it continues to push or it kind of just pulls back to 670 level, maybe 680. But we'll see. So for the first stocks we got right here, what we got? OSS, right? One Stop Systems. It might not get over those MAs, right? So if it doesn't, if it fails, it could be a good short, maybe a couple cents, couple 25 cents. On this one, you got the same thing. It's coming above support. If it doesn't make support, if it doesn't break support, it's gonna pull back. That's when we get in. Same thing with this one. We'll see if it breaks out or if it holds. Same thing with this one. If it doesn't break the moving averages, then it could be a good short position. Probably pull back to 4. We got RDW, same thing. If it doesn't get over the moving averages on the daily and pushes it back, it could be a good short. Oh, this one looks nice. It's already above the moving averages. If the market goes so good, this one could rise to like 950, 9, especially how it's kind of right on the MA, so this was not that bad. See which way the market goes. If the market goes up and it holds, this one could be a runner. We got Poet, POET. Some of the positions that I had gotten in it still, I think Friday, and I was holding. I got the stop above the moving averages, and then I got my target at its low. Basically, if it doesn't get over the moving averages, it's gonna pull back to 6. That's the goal. If it doesn't, well then we'll get stopped out at 725, which would be $43, $42. On ONK, Nokia, It's a good one. It's above MAs, but there's another MA right coming above it. So we'll see how I might react to it. I got volume. It's been getting beat up for the last couple of months after hitting the all-time high. Yeah, honestly, man, this could probably break down another more. I'm gonna keep running down, but we'll see. If it doesn't hold, probably get in it. If it holds, I probably wouldn't get in it just because it has a bunch of moving averages on top of it. But yeah, maybe for like a 25 cents. I don't know. The moving average is like right there, so maybe not. Next one we got VELO Incorporated. Some play. If it doesn't break out, if it can't break resistance, we're gonna try to buy it. Short it. And if it does break resistance, then we're gonna have to see which way it goes. But it has moving averages on top, and let's get over those for us to long it. So we'll see with that one. Ultimately, we'll see which way it goes. If it breaks the MAs, if it doesn't break the MAs, we'll short it. And if it does break the MAs, then we're gonna wait for it to get above all the MAs for us to long it. Next one is TMC. I'm actually in this one. Same thing. Got it on Friday. My stop is above the MAs, so if it goes above anything, I'll lose 27 bucks. But my target would be 337, 340. I mean, just trying to get whatever trace back, which is like 50 cents. And then we'll see from there. Our next one is NVTS. Same play. It's hitting the MAs. If it gets above the MAs, we'll see if it potentially can run. But if it doesn't get above the MAs, we're gonna try to short it. Probably get in 10 to 50, get out 9. Yeah, we'll see. It's been on a downtrend anyways. SpaceX is one of the shorts that I got going on as well. After this IPO, I kind of just run up, sold, came back down, couldn't really bounce back up. Pretty sure it would keep selling. Now it's on its way down to 108. Below its IPO price, so I personally think it goes to 105. So what we got in there? Same thing on Friday. Hoping the market was gonna go down, but the market holded. We'll see if it actually goes down or we get stumped out. Also, our stop is above the MAs, the moving averages. So if it gets above the moving averages, we will be out. For sure. So last kind of already did them, the ones I'm in, but we'll do one more time. Same thing. Quick play. I'm shooting for 625. If it doesn't get over the MAs, shooting for it to break down. Same thing with this one. If it doesn't break out, we're shooting for it to break down to 335. And lastly, SpaceX, same thing. If it doesn't hold, we're hoping it breaks down to 105 and we'll be able to take some profit. Thank you. And that is it. Perfect. Look, 10 minutes of that. You guys have a good one and happy trading week. Happy August. And let's make some money, boys. Let's go.